SAP provides a powerful suite of tools that span multiple functions and modules, helping businesses manage complex asset and resource processes. Whether you're setting up, migrating, or making changes to SAP, Master, Foundational, and Transactional data are key. Enterprise Asset Management, EAM, Preventive Maintenance, PM, and Material Management, MM, are core modules for asset reliability. Newer modules like S/4HANA Asset Management and Service offer streamlined and high-performance functionality. These modules help with projects planning, asset lifecycle management, and field-based service tasks. Changes to SAP processes or systems have a direct impact on data integrity, making careful planning essential. Master data includes important static records that define the structure of your SAP system, like equipment, locations, and materials. These data elements ensure SAP can track and manage assets and resources effectively. When master data doesn't suit changing business needs, users often have to create workarounds instead of updating the system. Master data should be revisited periodically with a formal process for updating and correcting it as business needs evolve. This data reflects actions currently underway, such as work orders, inventory, and maintenance activities. Transactional data like open notifications and work orders are records that, though temporary, become critical references for audits and compliance in the future. With more reliance on digital records, accurate transactional data ensures compliance and supports informed decisions. Tools like LSMW, LTMC, and BAPI are common choices for ensuring data moves efficiently and accurately across SAP projects. Migration options such as filing ready to migrate data, staging tables, and direct transfer range from importing prepared files to real-time programmatic transformations. Master and transactional data collectively represent valuable intellectual property and drive business outcomes. The SAP team at TRM tailors solutions using tools and methods best suited to the specific business and data scenario.